Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to access Functional Setup Manager, or FSM, also known as the backend. Also, how to find the offering, add the right columns, and show all the tasks required to do configuration. Please note that this lesson is part of the Getting Started course found under the Oracle Cloud area of the Discover menus. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free discovery badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this lesson are as follows. Open the navigation bar, go to the Others option, access Setup and Maintenance, select an offering, select the functional area, enable Actions column for import-export, and then finally enable Show All Tasks. So step 1, in the upper left-hand corner of the page, go ahead and select what we call the hamburger or the Navigator bar. By the way, you will need to have the consultant role on your operator profile. Once you've opened the Navigator bar or the Navigator menu, scroll down to Others and open that or expand that menu option. Within Others, select Setup and Maintenance. Then once you're there, select the offering that you want to access. Select the functional area that you want to do your configuration task. By the way, if you're unsure, you can open the task panel and search, or go into the middle top of the page here where it says Search Tasks and just search on what it is you want to configure. Now, when you find a particular task you're working on, you might want to, depending on whether or not you want to import or export data en masse, you might want to add the Actions column. That column will allow you to do the business objects import and export. If you can't see your particular task, keep in mind if you're working with a project, let's say in Demo Central, or if you're working with a project that's already gone through an implementation, meaning that the application has been enabled and configured, you may just see what's called required tasks. So where it highlights show and that drop-down box, change the value from required tasks to all tasks so you can see all of the configuration tasks within that functional area. So that's the end of this presentation, but it doesn't have to be the end of your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panameer.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@panameer.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.